Alright guys, so let me give you a close-up. There is a lot of light here and some light reflecting from the strobe light. Now I'm using a $5 strobe light from the dollar store. Runs on AA batteries and it gives a decent light on there. And the speed can be adjusted slower, faster, whatever you like. And there is some light on there, kind of looks bluish. I don't see it here in person, but the camera picks it up. Same with this one, there's a lot of reflection on that bench there. This one's pretty cool. And I used the white tablecloth on this one, and hot glue does melt it. So you can probably use a different thicker material, fabric. And yeah, it came out pretty good. I'll be making a few more jack-o'-lanterns and popping them in place. And there's also this cat here. Yeah, see you on the next video.